As you have time to enjoy and utilize your RV, you may have concerns needing addressed or repaired under warranty. This video gives you a quick guide to the warranty process. Call or email your service advisor to schedule an appointment to have items reviewed and documented for repair under warranty. We suggest sending your advisor an email outlining your concerns prior to your appointment, so he or she can be prepared for your visit. Bring your RV to Mesa RV Center for your scheduled appointment. Your service advisor will verify and replicate all items on your list requesting repair. After we have a clear understanding of your concerns, we will create a repair order. Photos of the items will be taken to fulfill warranty policies. Please review the repair order for accuracy to make sure all items needing attention are documented. And once you are satisfied with the repair order, you will be asked to sign it. After the repair order is finalized and signed, you will take your RV home. We will start the warranty authorization process to get manufacturer's approvals for the concerns needing repaired. This process can sometimes take hours to several days, depending on the specific item, complexity of the failure, and manufacturer's availability. Once the manufacturer has authorized requested repairs, we will order the necessary parts. Some unique parts, such as cabinet doors, may take lengthy amounts of time to receive, as manufacturers do not keep these items on hand and produce them only upon receipt of our order. As soon as all parts required have been received, your service advisor will contact you to make an appointment to bring your RV in for the necessary repairs. Once you return your RV, repairs will be completed per the manufacturer's authorization, and we will do our best to return the RV to you as quickly as possible. We always strive to get your RV repaired and back to you as quickly as possible, but there could be delays in getting the warranty process completed or parts shipped in a timely manner. Our goal is to be in contact with you through the process, so you know the status of parts and when your RV will be completed.